Go, Nicole, go. Get her. Get Val, get Val. Come on.
Oh, forget it.
Let me.
Need help?
I got it. We're catching up. The Swan Lake races. Cassidy and Kim up in the lead.
Nicole and Terry.
As we pan over to Val Powell and Sharon. We're going crazy and the fans are roaring. This is a crazy event. People.
Nicole's steering. And we're almost catching up.
It's crazy, I tell you, crazy.
We're almost catching up to Cassidy.
Here's my co-pilot.
Yeah, I'm the stew.
Yeah. And then we fan back over to Cassidy and her mom Kim. And we're running out of paddle power. Oh.
No, we're not.
And Nicole goes crazy on the paddles. Look at her go. Look at her go.
You better go. You better turn.
Steer to the right. There you go. Gotta go around in the corner.
Yeah, that's right. Come on, Daddy, take off.
And in the back is Sharon and the Val Pal.
Come on, Daddy, go.
Yeah, I'm videoing. There you go. Woohoo!
Yeah.
The Swan Olympics.
That's right, Nicole and Terry.
Swan number 4 is trying to take the lead. Oh no!
Number 1's about to take the lead.
And they're Bill and Bill.
We gotta catch up.